Amy is creating. So here we go. So I wanted to mention that this is what the box looks like with the for the resin kit. This one was from Hobby Lobby, but here's another tip for you. Go to walmart.com and you definitely will not pay this price that you see on here, $20. It's way cheaper on walmart.com, and you could get free site to store. Okay?
Do you work at Walmart?
So no, I do not work for Walmart, but I practically live there. Okay?
You're advertising for them. They should pay you.
Let me tell you something. You guys do not know the wealth that you're missing on walmart.com. You could get all kinds of stuff. You could get scrapbooking supplies, stamps, and everything way cheaper than what you do at all of these other online stores.
Oh.
Yes, so check them out. You guys can't pass it up. Anyway, in part one, we use the pigments, the eyeshadows, right, to color, and that's how those turned out.
And this is how they came out. Look at how pretty.
Just Senya doesn't share. They're like a light pink.
Yeah, it's a very, very pale pink. If you want it darker, then you put more of the pigment. It just depends on your taste. So, and you could get these, look like right here I have 4 or 5 colors. So you can get different colors, purple, blue, and any eyeshadow, it doesn't have to be like that. Any eyeshadow that is shimmery will work for you. Okay, so now we're gonna try with the alcohol ink so you guys can see the difference. Now this is very concentrated, so you definitely have to go little bit at a time, so you don't get too much. I've already poured part 1, the first part of the chemical in the cup, so I'm ready with that. And how I do it is that I put 1 drop, just like this, 1 drop, and I kind of like tap out the excess like that, and then I stir it in. If that is not dark enough, which I'm seeing that it's not, then I'll add more. It's like this one is very translucent, this color. So I'm gonna go with that amount. Elizabeth wanted me to do a more vintagey kind of look for things. So this is how I recommend. Because if you just start dropping in drops into the cup, you might get too dark and not like it. This way you have more control. You're just seeing, what do you think? Darker?
A little bit darker.
Okay.
That's supposed to be steampunk.
See what I mean? So you just keep on, and here, because I know she wants it a little bit more dark, I'm going to do 2 drops.
Perfect.
I think this will be good. Because remember, when it dries, it does get a little bit darker when it dries. Just so you guys know, when it dries, it gets darker. So just because it doesn't look too dark here doesn't mean it won't get darker. So here we're going to put part 2, and then we could pour into the mold.
Hi, suegra. Oh, my voice just cracked.
You're hitting puberty.
Everything counts when you're live.
You can't edit that, right?
I'm going to add another drop because this got yellowish. I'm going to do 2 drops, Elizabeth. I'm sorry.
Go for it, girlfriend. However they come out.
Yeah, this ink is like weird. A weird color, but this is how you would do it when it comes to the... Because we're doing a comparison with the alcohol inks and the pigments. Okay, so let's try another key here. See, it's like almost like a...
The yellow ink.
Yeah. Even though... There's that key. And I'll do the middle part because it's the skinnier part, so that way it won't have too many bubbles, if anything. There's that one, and we'll do this one. This is all about control, really. Controlling how, you know, it's better to go drop by drop. And that's why you do the smallest ones that you can first, because then you have better control. And then you save the big mold for last.
Feathers.
feathers? Okay, we'll do the feathers. Because then I'm already feeling it, that it's starting to get hot. And that's how you know. You could feel it through the cup. And that's how you know you need to hurry up and pour. Or else you're going to be with a lot of loss in chemical. And it would be nice actually if we could see how that looks so you guys can see what would happen.
No, we don't want to see. Just go the scissors. Oh, okay, fine.
I'll do this. See, it's already, look, it's already curing. Now you guys gonna get to see. See how it gets? Look.
That looks disgusting.
That's how it gets. So if you're not fast, see? That's what happens. And you know what I've noticed? I've noticed that with the alcohol inks, it speeds up that process. Did you notice that I had a little bit more time? I did the exact measurement with the pigments and with the alcohol inks. I found that doing the pigments gives me more control. So with this comparison, I would recommend the pigments over the alcohol inks every time. And you have different colors.
Right, I have that color.
Yeah,
I don't have the black.
Look at black comes out gray. You know, it could be a light gray or a dark gray. I've done that. And then the purple comes out really super pretty too. So I even have white, and even though it dries white, but it leaves it with a shimmer. So it's kind of cool to do the white too.
So tomorrow we'll hit the dollar store too.
You'll hit the dollar store too. So I hope you guys, you know, I was clear on this, and you guys can do it. So don't be afraid. The biggest thing is when you have like these little tiny molds like this is the control, which is the reason why I recommend this type of cup, because you can do a little tiny funnel to get more control and do drop by drop if you have to.
And those are the little Dixie cups.
Yeah, these little wax lined Dixie cups. So hope you guys enjoyed that. We're having a blast over here. Me looking like a geeky scientist over here with my safety glasses, but safety first, guys, because if that stuff gets in your eyes, whew, I don't want to know. I don't want to know. All right, so this is Little Paper Princess. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.